Hey, it's your boy Jay Will back with another video update on the same campaign I've been running. I made another sale. I'm gonna show you guys the results, so tune in. Okay, so today I received 5 total clicks on the Revision Health supplement. As you can see, 23 impressions. My click-through rate is 21% total. Average cost per click, $3.62. Spent $18.12 today. I'm gonna go ahead and log into ClickBank. Come on. All right, you can see today is Wednesday, September 29th. I made 41 bucks. Revisions right here. Gonna go to reporting. Today, we're gonna look at my results for revisions. 3 hot links, 5 to the order form, 1 sale, 41 bucks. So we're gonna go here to the calculator. Okay, go back to Microsoft. I spent today $18.12. I made $41.47. So we want to take that $41.47 minus $18.12. So today I made $23. Not much, but just one campaign. If you run 5 of these, you can make pretty decent money. Right here, if you take the $23 a day profit times 30 days in a month, that's an extra $700 a month of one campaign. You can do this to like 5 different campaigns. Now, let's say you ran 5 different campaigns, making $700 a month. Whoops, reset that. $700 times 5 campaigns, $3,500, which is a full-time income if you live in the United States. So the other day, I made a sale on this campaign, $105. So what we're gonna do, that's 3 days. We're gonna put this campaign 3 days back. So Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday to Wednesday, apply. Spent about 30 bucks, $30.24. So let's go here. You add, let's go back to the calculator. If you add $41.47 plus the $105 that we made the other day, $146 minus the 30 bucks, $30.24. That's 116 so far. We're in profit for the week. So in the description below, I'm gonna leave the ClickMagick tracking tool that I use to direct link to these campaigns. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments below. If you want me to do a Digistore 24 case study, I'll do one. Just let me know. And I might let you guys pick a product too, what you want me to do a case study on. I'm sorry. So in the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, and you guys have a good day.